take a look at another problem. Mr. Khan has 21 markers. He put 7 markers in each supply box. How many supply boxes will he need? Well, first, let's think about what are we trying to find out? Well, we're trying to find out how many supply boxes he will need. So I'm going to put that the blank supply boxes, so I don't forget what it is that I'm trying to figure out. Now let's make sense of this problem. Mr. Khan has 21 markers, so he has a total of 21 markers. And he's going to put 7 markers in each supply box. So each supply box is getting 7 markers. How many supply boxes will he need? Okay, so first of all, let's get 21 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's important to count out your items so that you have the right amount. Now, he's going to put 7 markers in each box. So let's start with the first box. And I'm just going to label that as box 1. Okay. And we need 7 markers. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so the first box has 7 markers. It looks like I have enough to do another box. So let's say box number 2. And I always like to label my work when I'm representing it so I remember what the different things represent. So we need 7 markers for this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it looks like we might be able to do one more box. Let's try it. Box 3. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so each box has 7 markers. And now we can see that there's 1, 2, 3 boxes. So Mr. Khan will need 3 supply boxes. Now remember, we can write an equation to represent this problem. Mr. Khan started out with 21 markers, and then he broke those markers into groups of 7. Remember, when we break things into equal groups, we are dividing, and we divided them into groups of 7. And when we did that, we realized we would have 3 groups. So 21 markers divided into groups of 7 markers left us with 3 groups or 3 supply boxes. Go ahead and try a couple problems on your own.